Hey, this is Isaac Clark in the 9 o'clock Computer Science 110 class, and this is extra credit number 1. So first we import the turtle up here, then we have a function outline which takes the size, which detail it's going to draw in the middle of the outline, and if it's on the top or the bottom, the level. And if it's on the top, then it's going to go left this much, see right here, and forward the second amount right there. Or else, if it's on the bottom, it'll plug these in. And then it'll go through this, let's see, 6 times. And it checks right here the detail, if it's a dot or a line, and draws that accordingly. And the dot function is right down here I drew. It just goes up, it picks the pen up, draws a dot, and goes back. Then the line function is for is just a line of this pattern, and it goes top, bottom, and dot, line, line, dot, dot, line, line, dot. Yeah, and you divide the number of patterns by 2, because it's gonna go dot, line, and line, dot that many times. It's a for loop inside a for loop. And then the grid prints the whole thing. It prints the line, and then it goes to the next line and prints that. And that's what it looks like run.